Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 8 trades. Today's date is December the 8th and I'm using my new Easy Scalper trading system. This system uses two excellent scalping indicators. The first one is the Easy Scalper, that's this moving average that changes colors. And of course the arrows, that's the super signal indicator. It'll give an audio sound and a pop-up box as you see here suggesting either to buy or sell. Now every morning approximately 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments and of course looking at my daily trade plan. Once I make a decision regarding the daily trade plan, if it's a buy or sell, I'll manually put in this white arrow so it reminds me if I want to be buying and or selling. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time. As the higher time frames will calculate calculations, and then in the comments it'll suggest either look for bearish or bullish trades. Now if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's one very good reason why you are still struggling. You must have some kind of a daily trade plan. Now if you have any questions or if you want to buy this, all you got to do is get in contact with me. Okay, let's take a look at some of these trades. I bought the first two and I sold all the rest. Took the trades at various times and I closed them all out almost exactly at the same time, 22 to 23 and 24 minutes after 9 a.m. So on this first trade, the pound New Zealand, let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So the scalper was blue and I had a blue arrow back here. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Did a bit of a pullback, but that didn't bother me. I knew, according to the daily trade plan, it was going to go up. So I took the trade right here at this cursor. So I took the trade, like I said, right here, and I closed it out here, just being happy with, looks like about 18 pips. And those pips paid out $116. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro New Zealand. Let's run a check on that. Wanted to be buying it. There's from the daily trade plan. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. When I pulled the trigger, it did qualify for a great way to trade, and I knew that it could come back to the goal line. So I took the trade at this cursor, and I closed it out at here, locking in about 37 pips, and those pips paid out $225. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro CAD. Here it is right here. Let's take a look at it. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Wanted to be selling this instrument. Daily trade plan said to sell. Red arrows, super signal. Scalper was red. Daily trade plan. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. So I took the trade right here at this cursor. And I closed it out just being happy, locking in about 38 pips. And all those pips paid out $279. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. Now on the pound CAD, wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan, the arrow from the super signal. The trade setup did qualify for a great way to trade. Love trading this way. It's called a great way to trade. Lots of training videos teaching you exactly how to trade this way. So I got in at this cursor and I closed it out here being happy. Looks like with about 45 pips, and those pips paid out $330. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the pound yen. Another one I wanted to be selling it, so let's see where I got in at first of all. There's the super signal arrow. Scalper was red. The daily trade plan said to sell. Took the trade at that cursor and I closed it out at this cursor right here, locking in about 51 pips. And those pips paid out $359. Okay, moving on to the next trade, the euro dollar. Now the euro dollar pays $10 for each pip because the USD is on the right hand side. So let's see where I got in first of all. So there's the arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal, the scalper, that was red. Did qualify for a great way to trade. So I took the trade at this cursor. And due to the fact it pays $10, well, this should be 41. So let's go and look for that 41. There it is right there, 41 pips paying out $410. Okay, moving on to the next trade, the NASDAQ. NASDAQ pays $20 for each tick. So I took the money divided by 20. Calculator says it's approximately 21 ticks. So let's see where I got in at. So I wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Super signal was red. Scalper was red. And by the way, just to let you know, today was high impact news. I took all the trade before the news. And after it did this spiking around, I decided to close it out over here. So let's see. As I mentioned, it should be about 21. So let's go and look for that 21. There it is right there, 21 ticks. And that paid out $418. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is gold. Now in gold, it pays $10 for each tick. So looking at the money, this is 20. Because you divide it by 10, 20.99. So let's just round it up a tiny bit to 21. So in this gold, let's see where I got in at first of all. So I took the trade here. Daily trade plan said to sell. Super signal said to sell. Scalper said to sell. So I took the trade at this point. And what I say, it's about approximately 21. Let's see if I can find that 21. So let's see, I got in at this cursor and I closed it out at this location. As I mentioned, it should be around 21, and there it is right there. 21 ticks paying out $2,099. So another great day of trading using my easy scalper trading system. I knew it was going to be over 200 pips and ticks. Grand total today came to 271. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $4,238. So if your system's not producing on a daily basis great results, well, I recommend you get your hands on the Easy Scalper and don't forget about the daily trade plan. So remember, there's 4 things you're going to need to succeed at trading. You're going to need a lot of chart time. You're going to need a lot of demo trading, a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot of education. And you're going to need that daily trade plan. Now you must think like you're learning to become a doctor or lawyer. You should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now when you buy from me, I do give support, and after you buy from me, I will tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. Now if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. So if you're interested or if you have any questions, all you got to do is get in contact with me. And of course, to do so, all you got to do is look right below this video. You'll see a banner, a little bit of a write-up. You'll see the word more. All you got to do is click on it. It'll open up another window, and you'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. You'll even get a link that's a direct link to my Skype, and through Skype we can talk live no matter where you live, and I'll be able to answer your questions. Now in the description you'll see 4 different packages. I recommend you getting at least 3 of them. And of course I do charge $250 for each package. I do have a special offer right now. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 for free. Now we can go over those packages or any other packages that you might be interested in through while we are on a Skype call. So it's just about time to wrap up this video and this week of trading. It was a great week of trading using my Easy Scalper. And of course, if you like this video, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading. Have a great weekend. And remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.